You did it!
Dear kids, it's your mom and dad here. Someone recently told us that the American dream is dead. It's 2020. Pandemics, riots. Sometimes it feels like the world is upside down. But just like riding a bike, you have to look where you want to go.
So your mom and I stayed focused and made our dream a reality through sacrifice, hard work, ingenuity, and above all, courage to make the impossible possible.
Your dad and I sold everything. Our house, the truck, our picket white fence, and moved into an RV. We are going to show you that pursuing the American dream is still possible.
Living the life you want to live may require months, if not years, of planning and hard work.
No one else will make your dreams come true. Not your boyfriend, your job, money, your friends, or even us.
Happiness is a mindset created only by you. What makes your mom and dad happy?
Traveling, exploring, living the life that we want to live, and seeing you grow into strong and intelligent young women. And we have sacrificed and overcome much to see that happen. America has always been a place where you can pursue the American dream. That American dream is not a promise. It is only an opportunity.
An opportunity for you to be successful at whatever you choose to do or be. Its success will come from staying motivated, planning and improvising, sacrifice and taking risks.
It does not come by chance. You may have more or less of an opportunity than others, but its success will always be up to you. And that idea is what makes us Americans.
Be brave, take risks, and live life to the fullest, because tomorrow is not a promise. When it's time for you to meet the maker, have no regrets, and know that you have enjoyed one hell of a ride.
It's time to pursue our American dream.
Yeah, you got hit pretty good, but several times. Ha ha ha!